A very hearty good evening to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen out there. It is my absolute delight to welcome you all in this session. Today, let me introduce you to something which you experience every day and yet don't recognize its presence and importance. Let me help you know the best of what you can get for your oral hygiene and immunity. I am Shweta Chandani, expert speaker with For Life Science, the immune system company. I hope you all are keeping yourself safe, healthy, and balancing your immunity throughout these times. Today, I'm very pleased and delighted to welcome the very beautiful and dynamic guest speaker for today, Dr. Shrutika Jaiswal, to this wonderful session on oral hygiene and immunity. Dr. Shrutika is serving as a dentist for Health Spring Pune and she has been associated with Health Spring Mumbai as well. Apart from this, she has also worked as a head dentist for the clinic named My Dentist in Mumbai and worked for a corporate hospital, the Hiranandani in Mumbai. With this rich experience of almost a decade now, she has given beautiful smiles to thousands of her patients. She has completed her dentistry and implant course from the prestigious university. She has been working with complete journal dentistry, which includes patient management and treatment. Smile is all that she cares for, and that comes with healthy teeth. You can also follow her at World of Teeth on Instagram for really fun, interesting facts and tricks to keep your teeth healthy. So, over to you, Dr. Shrutika.
Hello, everyone. I hope you all are safe and doing really well with your health. My name is Dr. Shrutika Jaiswal, and I am a dentist. So, today I am going to talk about the dental health as well as I'm going to give you quick tips and tricks to how to maintain them. So, stay with me and stay tuned. A good oral hygiene comes with a good health, definitely. So, I'm talking about good oral hygiene, a clean mouth, or a healthy mouth. What do I mean by that? Do I mean white teeth? Definitely not. A white teeth doesn't signify that you have a oral hygiene good. So, what does a healthy mouth indicates? It indicates healthy gums, strong teeth, neutral breath, as well as clean tongue. So, how do you achieve this? Yeah, you all brush twice, maybe once, but do you have a clean breath or a clean tongue? No. So, today I am going to show you how you can achieve a good oral hygiene by brushing right as well as brushing with the right toothpaste. So, I will be showing you the technique to brush your teeth right. So, let's check how to brush right. This is a model demonstrating your mouth, which opens and closes as well. Okay, this is a toothbrush. So, how do you brush? The motion is called as up and down, round and round. It's up and down, round and round. Similar way, up and down, round and round. We cover all the surfaces of the teeth with an angle of 45 degree. You've been It's not exactly 45-degree what you follow or you can measure, but definitely you can tilt your brush and brush up and down. So in your mouth, the teeth have three surfaces without fail: the front, the borders, as well as the inside one. So do not forget to brush all the surfaces right. When you cover the outer surface, you need to make sure you clear the borders as well as the inside portion. So when you brush inside, the lower ones, it's always the upward motion. And for the upper ones, it's always the downward motion when you brush your teeth. So this is how you brush right to get your healthy and strong teeth. So what's next? After brushing, it's always recommended to do your tongue clean. It's not always easy or it's not always right to clean your tongue by your brush or just the cleaner behind it. I would definitely recommend a proper tongue cleaner to clean your teeth. Why? The number of bacteria which are setting on your teeth are equally deposited on your tongue. So your oral hygiene is completely incomplete if you're not cleaning your tongue properly. You have two types of tongue cleaners available most probably in the market. Okay, one is something like this and one is something like this. You can use any of it, but using it right is really important. So cleaning your tongue with a proper tongue cleaner post your brushing is what we recommend. Twice brushing is really important. So equally, so twice using the tongue cleaner is important. So the many of the times I get questions like, how much time do you need to brush? It's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I do get patients brushing for 15 minutes also, but that's not required. That will not have any benefit, rather it will harm your teeth. So 2 minutes is more than enough to clean and brush your teeth. The technique matters more. The way I showed you how to brush your teeth, if you brush it for 2 minutes, it will definitely benefit you, rather just scrubbing it for 15 minutes. Another important questions all people ask me is about which toothpaste should I use or how much should I use. So multiple times you might be seen in many of the commercial ads on the television or any of the ads you see, they show like, the entire toothbrush is filled with toothpaste, just like something this way. This is not right. This is not required. So when you brush or you take a toothpaste for an adult, okay, it's divided. For adult, it's a big P shape. That's it. For young children's, okay, or kids, smaller P shape. That's it. This is the way you take a toothpaste, not like the ad commercials where you fill up the entire toothbrush or the bristles with the toothpaste. I hope this would be helpful for you. Another thing, the bristles, many of them uses hard or medium bristles toothbrushes. Bristles, the fur you see on the top of the brush. No, the hard and the medium are not recommended because they harm or they hurt your gums. Gums are really a soft and spongy structure of your mouth. Shouldn't be rubbed or get any kind of intense pressure on it. Okay, so soft bristles toothbrush is what I recommend. So you do use a soft bristles toothbrush. Let's talk about the type of paste. Okay, which type of paste is good? Which type of paste will help me to maintain my teeth or would really help me to get less of cavities in my mouth? So yeah, there are n number of toothpaste in the market. So you get multiple brands, you get with multiple herbal and with this content and that content, you get a lot of thanksing of these products, as well as they are really not much of reliable as per their commercial ads. So you need to really differentiate in between what is good for your oral hygiene, what is good for your teeth, what will benefit your teeth. So that's how you need to choose a toothpaste right. Okay, so believe in the toothpaste which gives you good results and which is good for your mouth so that you build up your immunity better. Now somebody will be thinking, why am I connecting immunity with an oral mouth or oral hygiene? A very fact, okay, your oral cavity or your mouth contains over 6 billions of bacteria, more than 6 billions of bacteria. Okay. So how much ever you try, you need to have like boiled water or like very hygienic food, or you wash your hands 10 times in a day, but your oral health is not right. Because any which ways you're going to eat, you're going to drink, whatever goes, it goes from your mouth inside your stomach, in your body. So your oral health or your mouth needs to be more sterile, needs to be more healthy for your body to stay healthy. So for getting any kind of immunity boost in your life, you definitely should correlate your oral hygiene to it. Mouth is one of the first place to show any signs and symptoms of multiple diseases, just like diabetes, heart disease, etc., and many more. Why? Because they show us the symptoms like bone loss or spongy gums, which are really and main symptoms of multiple big diseases in our life. So we should work on our oral hygiene as well as on our overall health as well as our immunity of our body to be healthy. As well as a good healthy mouth is directly related to a good immunity. So we have two types. One comes with an adult class, one comes with the kid class. So both of them have to maintain a good oral hygiene and the way I showed by brushing as well as using the toothpaste and the type of toothpaste, obviously. Okay. Every adult or every human being should visit a dentist every 6 months. A dental visit is very important because the dentist will examine you well as inform you what is required and what not. A dental cleaning is really, really important for everyone. Forget about any kind of myth. It's not at all harmful to you, but you should get a cleaning done and you should visit a dentist every 6 months. Use of right toothpaste as well as mouthwash when required is to be done. A special important and very important tip I'm giving you in kids. Okay, when kids get a lot of cavities in their mouth, okay, then parents come up like, yeah, we do a lot of brushing and we keep it clean, but they give their kids the milk bottle in the night before sleeping, and they drink, and they sleep. What happens? The sweetener in the milk deposits on their teeth and causes cavities to have because the kid will not get up or not drink water or gargle, do anything because the milk bottle is inside the mouth. So never do that. Make sure before your kid sleep, you give your kid milk or whatever it is. Give a lot of water before he or she sleeps, and then let the child sleep. That will definitely help. Eating well, drinking well from a healthy mouth keeps your body healthy. So eat well, sleep well, and do not forget to brush well. Post all your queries about dental health or dental issues in the comment box below. Definitely, we will try to answer them all. Thank you so much. I would like to really thanks For Life as well as the entire team. Shweta, thank you so much for getting me on this platform and share my views about dental health. And I will try to keep sharing all the knowledge about dental health as well as teeth, as well your tongue and all kind of dental issues as much as I can. And on my page too, at the rate World of Teeth on Instagram. So please let me know your queries. I will definitely help to solve. All over to Shweta.
Thank you very much for such a lovely and enlightening session, Dr. Shrutika. It was really lovely to have you on this platform today. Oral hygiene is not just about white teeth, it is much more than that. Oral hygiene affects our immunity, and if it is not maintained, it can adversely affect our health and can lead to disorders and diseases. So, I am going to take you through our latest launched product in oral care category, 4 Lives Shweka, which is powered by transfer factors for your oral hygiene and immunity. So, whenever you think of 4 Life products, without a doubt, you should know that we are the immune system company. Since 1998, 4 Life Research has brought you the best quality products available to support your immune system and overall health so that you can do life differently, vibrantly, and to your best potential. 4 Life is committed to ongoing innovation and scientific discoveries, and with this, we keep our products on cutting edge. So we have transfer factor Shweka for you, and with this, you can absolutely smile your way to good health. So keeping your immune system strong is one of the main goals of good health and fitness. So as the gateway into the body, the mouth provides a point of entry for bacteria and germs to enter your respiratory system as well as your bloodstream. Therefore, maintaining good oral health can help keep your immune system robust, heroic, and working properly, which is very important during these times we are facing. So, Shweka toothpaste by 4 Life provides key ingredients that clean and brighten your teeth with the fresh power of a minty gel with an antibacterial and antifungal effect. So you can feel the mint fresh blast of menthol, fresh flavor with the benefit of transfer factors in it. So we have fresher breath, whiter teeth with better immunity with this. So as Dr. Shrutika rightly mentioned, brushing teeth properly helps prevent cavities and gum diseases, which causes at least one third of adult tooth loss. If teeth are not brushed correctly and frequently, it could lead to calcification of saliva minerals forming tartar. And tartar hardens if it is not removed every day. So, as our expert recommends, brushing 2 minutes each time is very important. Also, make it a habit to dispose of your toothbrush after a cold or flu and replace it with a new one. So 3 months is just a general guideline, but if you have a heavy hand when brushing, you may need to replace your brush more often. So when you notice the bristles are beginning to get bent out of shape, it is time to replace it. Now we head on to the ingredients of Shweka, and without doubt, the first one and the unique one of all is folate transfer factors in it. So, keeping your mouth healthy and free of infection allows the immune system to concentrate its effort on the rest of the body. So, it is much likely like an army that diverts to one battlefront while the enemy attacks elsewhere. So, the immune system can shift its attention to acute infections in your mouth while leaving others to thrive in other parts of the body. And for this, we have transfer factors in Shweka for your oral health and immunity. And this is what makes our products stand out among other leading brands in the market. So, transfer factor technology is patented by 4Life Science, and that is what gives us an exclusivity and uniqueness with our brand. So in transfer factor science, it is the core science behind 4Life products. And transfer factors are proteins and peptides from cow colostrum and chicken egg yolk. So they are made for the immune system and by the immune system. So transfer factors are immune messenger molecules that help the body detect the threats or foreign cells. So transfer factors are these peptides that consist of approximately 44 amino acids, and they help in recognizing, responding, and remembering any health threats that you encounter each day. So we also have vitamin E in it, which is a very, very powerful antioxidant for tissue healing of your gums and helps in relieving soreness. We also have clove in our Shweka, which provides relief from toothache. So the iocanol ingredient present in the clove has anti-inflammatory properties that can help the ailing tooth. So clove has natural ingredients that can numb the part of the skin that are in close contact with the teeth. So due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory and antioxidant and anesthetic properties, we have used a generous amount in Shweka to benefit your overall hygiene. So the next ingredient is a very, very fresh ingredient, which is mint and menthol. So this is a sugar-free formula with mint leaves extract and menthol in it. And it will help freshen your breath instantly due to the presence of its germicidal properties. And mint leaves extract can help to clear the plaque deposition on the teeth. And menthol containing Shweka can seize oral bacteria growth and keeps your oral cavity clean. And with this, we give you an 5-in-1 advantage. The first advantage, without a doubt, is transfer factors for incredible immune benefits. Vitamin E for very potent antioxidant properties. Cloves for antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. And freshening breath with a delectable minty aroma. And it is formulated to gently support reduction in dental cavities. So, for best results, you have to use it twice daily in morning and in night, and you can also use it after meals. So children below 6 years of age should be strictly supervised to minimize the swallowing of the product. So with this, you can smile your way with good health, immunity, and confidence. So thank you very much for your patience. This was Shweta for you from Mumbai office. So whenever you think of 4Life products, without a doubt, you should know that we are an immune system company. And with this, we have started an immune system revolution. Thank you very much for your patience and thank you very much for listening.